Doctors in the Woodlands are now treating debilitating pain with amniotic fluid to help patients self-heal.
So Melissa Wilson met with a professional boxer who says it helped him to get back in the ring.
World boxing champion Alfonso El Tigre Lopez is known for his mean left hook, but 12 years in the ring finally caught up with his shoulder.
I'm really struggling throwing these punches, and I'm just staying hurt a little, too long. And so it just became so I'm going to continue, or either you got to retire or we got to find something else. We got to find a way to heal this properly.
He did find a way through the help of Dr. Ed Nash with progressive and pain rehabilitation.
He's had an issue in his shoulder, which affected his hook. So he has a partial tear in one of his rotator cuffs, and as well, he's also got some bursitis in the joint, which sometimes catches a little bit. So he sought a lot of treatment and really had limited progress in his getting back into the ring until we were able to bring in some regenerative medicine for him.
I know I didn't want to go the surgery route because I had surgery on my rotator cuff on my right shoulder, and it was like 18 months out of the ring, and I don't have that kind of time. So we had to look for the alternative, and these are the guys.
Lopez got it in the form of biologics that use his own body's healing capacity to correct the problem. He's getting injections of amniotic fluid.
It's rich in growth factors and cytokines and all these biologic chemicals that the body uses to turn on healing. So we're going to try to cells to repair that area of his rotator cuff as well as activate his own stem cells.
The amniotic fluid is obtained only from consenting healthy mothers who undergo elective C-sections. Dr. Nash says it does not affect the baby or mother. Ultrasound helps the doctor guide the amniotic fluid into the correct space.
Initially took the shot, went to go work out, and then like 3 or 4 days later I was kind of like it was just like, what? And then 2 weeks later, I was just kept progressively getting better and stronger.
Dr. Nash says he treats many professional athletes, but also helps all types of patients of different ages. He works closely with Dr. Jeff Pruski with 3R Regenerative Repair and Relief to offer a plan for pain relief.
We'll talk about nutrition. We'll deal with manual medicine, exercise therapy, and then we also have modalities that we use to facilitate healing as well. So with those things in combination, it definitely gives us a boost to increase the healing power.
Dr. Pruski says manually manipulating bones and joints can help get patients back on the road to recovery. Whatever the injury, we can all learn from this champ's motto, also inked on his arm: in the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Lopez is relieved that regenerative medicine is giving him opportunities that injury almost took away.
The sport of boxing is very mental, and when you're hurting, it worries you going into the ring. And so it not only did it give me all of my tools back, but mentally it put me in a place where I actually got to feel confident in what I was trying to accomplish.
In the Woodlands, Melissa Wilson, Fox 26 News.
Now, in case you're wondering, insurance does sometimes cover that procedure.
And this is if the patient has tried other types of treatment for pain, like physical rehab and steroid shots.